Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're going to start by identifying the precise right key you need. Press it now to confirm tactile feedback. Once done, note whether it's labeled Alt, Control, Shift, or has a Windows logo. This matters for behavior. Make sure to compare your layout to a standard 104-key map. Laptop layouts are often compact and swap positions. If the key registers, proceed. If not, avoid software mapping until you confirm hardware response with a simple key tester or system key viewer. Now implement the functional behavior you want. If you need special characters, use Right Alt-Alt-GR with letter keys. It yields accented and currency symbols. For shortcuts, pair right control with chosen keys so commands don't conflict with left side shortcuts. Then, open the OS keyboard settings to add layouts or use a mapping utility to reassign physical right key output. Map at the scan code level for consistency. Once a mapping is set, test every combination to ensure no unintended overrides occur. Finish by rigorously testing. Type, trigger shortcuts, and input special characters to confirm the right key behaves as intended. Once verified, save and export your keyboard profile so you can restore it after updates. Make sure to reboot and retest because drivers or updates can revert mappings. If things go wrong, first check hardware with an external keyboard or device. If the physical key fails, replace or use external input. Otherwise, reset mappings, reinstall the mapping tool, and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.